So today we are talking about permalinks. So what are the permalinks? Permalinks are a website URL structure. Every page or post has a different URL. And if you see at this website, this is the default WordPress website. If I click on the contact page, it has the URL something like this. Let's create a website.com/page ID equal to 1138. And this is the permalink for this page. So every page and post has permalinks. But you need to make sure your website should not have a permalink like this. It should make some sense, because when you put permalink like this, the search engine don't understand what is this page about, and it can harm your search engine rankings. So today we are going to change this permalink to a correct one and increase your search engine rankings. So first of all, you need to log into WordPress dashboard, and then from left sidebar, click on settings, and then you need to click here permalinks. By default, a plain permalink is selected on WordPress, which looks something like this one, and doesn't make any sense. Not for you, not for me, and not for any search engines. And now you have several options. You can choose the option which consists the date and name, month and name, numeric, post name, or custom structure. I suggest you to choose the simple option, so you can just choose the post name and then click on the save changes. And now what it will do, if I click on contact, you can see, so now it is showing the name of the page in the URL structure, which is get in touch. So this is how we change a permalink from plain to a more senseful permalink which search engine can understand, and it will make sense to you, me, and your visitor also. This is how you change permalinks in WordPress and increase your search engine rankings. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I give a lot of more tips and tricks that how you can create your website, how you can manage your website, and how you can make your website more faster, more secure. And check out some other videos in the description of this video, which will take your website to the next level. Thank you so much. See you in another video.